Alrighty, so this is our Intro to Business Problem Solving final project, and it was created by Benjamin Cools and Tyler Ives.
For our topic, we chose to look at the median income of the United States, and we decided to look and learn if it was increasing or decreasing. We wanted to make it not so broad of information, so we chose to look at 21 years, the years 2000 to 2021. This will help us sift through the information. And some of the variables we chose to look at the median income were age, location, by state, economic class, and we also looked at the standard deviation to give us a better idea of the exact median income.
With our data, we only used data in the United States. We did not use world data. This data was collected and compared from the last 20 years, but from 2000 to 2020. But the 2020 statistics were a bit skewed, so we used the 2019 statistics instead. We also used geographical location, age, and economic class to better determine these data points. We saw with these that there were different data points, and there could be some trends and patterns that were seen. All of our data also regarded to the livable wage.
One thing we looked at was the median income compared to the United States economics. We looked at the median income in comparison to economic classes and we compared those. We also looked at different yearly income taxes and we got a lot of information and data from the United States Census Bureau. It helped us gather our research and the information that we needed. We also looked at things like age, and some of the variables were the year that people were getting their median income, the income classes in comparison to different median incomes, ages in comparison to each other, and the median income in comparison to different states.
Looking at figure 1.1 located in the bottom right, we can see that the average median income has increased alongside the average income. Now, this does not mean that it's increased just within the public, but it also is increased within the privatized and government-funded companies.
Another variable we looked at was standard deviation. We compared the standard deviations to different standard deviations throughout the years when it comes to looking at median income. What standard deviation is it helps provide a more accurate number. An example of this is it creates a better understanding of the rise in the income over time. So the data we used in the graph was collected from the United States Census Bureau, as said before. And the data sets that included standard deviation that we used to compare were income class, the years, and the states.
To better understand these points, we took a deep dive and looked at the Colorado median income against the US median income. We can see that throughout the years that the Colorado median income was slightly higher than the US median income. We can also see that in 2014 there was a large spike, in this case a downward spike, caused by some kind of economic failure. As well as in 2019, we can also see a major economic spike due to the pandemic. Within these data sets, we can see the U.S. average income and the average median income of the average person, a single household, rather than a privatized company or government-funded one.
So here you see our map display. And what this is it allows us to compare each state's median income to the national average median income. This map was constructed with 48 states, not including Alaska or Hawaii, and 10 different exponents. The data is between the states, the national average, and the median income between the states. This map allows us to take a look at all the median incomes and either compare them with the national average or compare them state by state and look at which ones are doing better or worse.
With all these points, we can conclude that the overall average income has increased from 2000 to 2020 in the US. Using data that we've provided within our graphs, maps, and other sets, you can see that the average median income has grown substantially. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation. We hope you have a great rest of your year.